Oh, my lights. I can't see you.
Some John Cena stuff right here.
Alright, hold up.
This is way easier than the triangle.
Get out the video, Dan.
Yeah. Okay.
You too ugly to be in this video. That's how you be killed.
I can't even see him.
You can't?
Nope, I'm twisting it at an angle. Bruh.
Everybody post their Okay, me and Roger are gonna post our perspective on the channel. Well, actually, I'm gonna post my perspective.
I know you did this way faster than me. Like, come on, just chill. Just
Bruh,
chill.
you get 5 minutes.
5
That's-
hours later.
I'm
should actually put that as a thing. That would be funny. Should I do that?
Sure.
We should just end it here and
That's 6
like,
plus 6.
I'll do it.
Elijah, no way. We should just like stop the recording and be like, boy. And just like fake.
Wait, time out. Hold on.
You have to be a
Snap, he's
minute.
getting there. Oh, snap.
You have to be
Everybody
a minute
watch
and 10
this.
seconds.
not even 7 o'clock.
Oh, wait.
Everybody watch.
Elijah already did it.
Oh my goodness. He's actually doing it. No, he's not actually.
second. Look how you.
He's not gonna finish this.
That's how you're supposed to do it, bro. What you talking
You're supposed to kill people.
Hey, what's up, guys? Everybody
him.
in the video.
And you're supposed to take his soul.
I'm gonna end it.
Man, almost done with the white
Yeah,
side.
I am.
Oh, snap. You're actually almost done.
I told you I know how to do this. Now it's like
You only know how to do one side, but I didn't know.
No, I never had.
Fail.
I know.